But if you go past that, I really like the pyramid design, and it is said to give a reflective sound due to its unique design. That is, the speaker is in the back, so when you place it against a wall, the sound reflects off the wall. Coming to the speaker itself, it has a volume knob in the front. Ahead of it is a power button. This one here is a dock for your iPhone or iPad. Towards the left of it, we have a USB port, and towards the right, the auxiliary input. The speaker comes with a 9-volt power adapter which needs to be connected in the front here. The adapter is a 2-pin adapter which I find no purpose of having. The speaker also runs on 6 AA batteries, though I'm not sure how long it runs on batteries as I did not test it on batteries. Coming to the sound quality, I'm always more than satisfied with the sound from OSAKI speakers, and this one is no less. The sound coming from the Pyramid is very loud and bright. The bass is alright, but it could be slightly better, but the overall sound is pretty satisfactory. The Angry Pyramid is priced at 2,800 rupees, which is though not a lot of money for a sound dock, but I would consider other options as I feel buying a Bluetooth speaker would be a better option. But then again, it comes down to what purpose you're using one. If your usage is more indoors and you intend to play for longer hours, then the sound dock would be ideal for you. If your usage is limited or you need something more portable, then I would suggest going for a Bluetooth speaker instead. Talking about the pros and cons, the biggest con I would say is the Angry Bird design. It certainly looks horrendous, and another thing to consider is that the dock for a device is an old one. iPhone generation 5 and above have new smaller ports which do not fit on the dock. But the good news is that OSAKI provides a Bluetooth dongle with the product which you need to place on the dock, through which we can connect any Bluetooth device. When you place the dongle on the speaker and turn on the speaker, a blue light starts flashing on the dongle. Overall, I feel the device is good